You're also watching News at 7. Let's turn our attention to business now. President Bola Tinubu on Monday night in Mecca, Saudi Arabia, advanced negotiations concerning a multi-billion-dollar infrastructure finance facility from the Islamic Development Bank to fund a multi-sectoral portfolio of infrastructure projects at the federal and subnational levels in Nigeria. This development was the outcome of substantive investment discussions held between President Tinubu and the Vice President of the Islamic Development Bank, Dr. Mansour Mukhtar. According to President Bola Tinubu, while speaking, assures that investment in Nigeria will be among the world's most high-yielding. The President emphasized that the investors' money will flow easily in and out of the country as Nigeria remains the candle of hope that will light the way for Africa. Uninspired, the Vice President of the Islamic Development Bank, Dr. Mansour Mukhtar, has said the financial world has been monitoring events in Nigeria that the bank is ready to support big investment in Nigeria. According to him, there's a provision of $50 billion of new investment for the African continent from the Arab Coordination Group, and assures Nigeria will certainly receive a significant share of the facility. Business owners and industry players in the tech and creative ecosystem are advised to bridge knowledge gaps, catalyze collective action, and empower Africa's growing community. This call was made at an interactive session in Lagos themed Digital Innovation and Creative Excellence, a tech ecosystem mixer aimed to unite tech business and creative professionals in the continent. The convener, Dice, and founder of Beyond Limits, Dr. Juliet Ehimuan, ignites stakeholders that Africa is at the end of a technological revolution. Harnessing this potential requires collective effort, innovation, and synergy among diverse stakeholders.
For DICE was to bring key stakeholders in the tech, business, and creative ecosystems together for networking and knowledge sharing, and also to ensure that we create a space where established business leaders can meet with emerging startups and leaders. People in the creative space can meet with policymakers and just really get everyone together so that we can accelerate growth, we can foster collaboration, and we can look at partnerships to enable us scale.
It's figuring out how we can apply innovation and how we can bring capital to support founders who are doing the hard work on the continent. So I truly believe that starting with Nigeria, the giant of Africa, helping founders and helping innovators figure out the best path to interact with government, we're truly going to make a mark on the continent.
The macro definitely is a challenge. There are also some regulatory tensions that I think exist, but thankfully we have things like the startup bill. We have a very vibrant minister that I believe would work to ease some of these pressures and catalyze the startups in the ecosystem. And so look, I'm pretty optimistic. We've seen incredible growth, and I believe that there's so much more to come.
The Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, ICANN, is tasking its members to ensure they perform their duties with a high level of professionalism, a move the institution believes will increase investors' confidence in the Nigerian economy. President of the Institute, Mr. Innocent Okosa, said this at this year's celebration of 2023 International Accountancy Day in Lagos.
Globally, the accounts play an essential role in managing financial transactions, providing financial advice to businesses and individuals, analyze data that are crucial for economic functioning and growth of any nation. They ensure the accurate recording and reporting of financial information, which is vital for decision-making, regulatory compliance, and maintaining the trust of stakeholders. It is in light of this that ICANN is embarking on this street health work to commemorate International Accountancy Day and create more awareness on the significance of the day. Thereafter, President of the Institute says ICANN has over the years championed the pursuit of excellence in auditing practices.
The significance of this day extends beyond historical milestones. It is a testament to the enduring principles of transparency, integrity, and accountability that have transcended centuries and continue to be the cornerstone of our work. We also celebrate the evolution, resilience, and adaptability of accounting through the ages.
He said the Institute has always been at the forefront of promoting financial transparency and accountability in every sector of the economy.
It's about a culture of diligence, accuracy, and unwavering ethics. Through these cooperative efforts, I can facilitate a regulatory environment where high-quality audits are not just an aspiration, but a reality. Our shared goal with regulatory partners is clear: to ensure that audits in Nigeria are thorough, independent, and reflective of the highest levels of professional excellence.
The president charged members of the institute to commit to continuous learning, adapt to the digital era in order to ensure the effective management of private and public finances.
And to equities market now, Nigerian stocks gained today as the all-share index, which measures the overall performance of equities, surged by 0.3%. Northern Nigeria Flour Mill shared led the list of gainers, followed by Mikio Industries and SNI Leasing PLC, Maya PLC, and Living Trust Mortgage Bank PLC. The biggest trade loser for Red Star Express PLC, which topped the list of losers. Other losers include FTN Cocoa Processors Limited, Mutual Benefits Assurance, and Cavitin and Prestige Assurance Company. Let's take a look at some commodities market now. Crude oil prices inched up today on expectations on healthy market fundamentals following an OPEC report saying the demand remains strong and concerns that supplies might be disrupted as the U.S. cracks down on Russian oil export. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude rose to sell at $78.51 per barrel with an upward price margin of 0.32%. Brent crude futures also experienced an upward price reveal of 0.30%, selling at $82.77 per barrel. Bonny Light recorded an uptick of 0.9%, selling at $82.58 per barrel. For the OPEC basket, crude oil dealers are offering $83.22 per barrel with a price decline of 1.25%.